Now we are going to do practice set 1.3. I'm going to solve each and every problem. First is fill in the blanks with correct number. Question is 3, 4, 2, 5. As we have already learned, I'm going to multiply 3 into 5 minus 4 into 2. That is 15 minus 8. That is equal to 7. Second problem. Find the value of following determinants. Same method. First, minus 1, 2, 7, 4. Minus 1 into 4 minus 7 into 2. Minus 4 minus 14. This is minus 18. Second, 5 minus 7, 3, 0. 5 into 0 minus 7 into 3. 0 minus 21. 0 plus 21, that is 21. Third, 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Here, we'll take 7 upon 3 into 1 by 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 by 2. This will be 7 upon 6 minus 15 upon 6. We'll take 6 LCM. 7 minus 15 minus 8 upon 6 is minus 4 upon 3. Now we'll start using Cramer's rule. I'm taking first problem. Solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. First question is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. By Cramer's rule. We'll put it in the arranged form. A1 is equal to 3, B1 is equal to minus 4 and C1 is equal to 10. A2 is equal to 4, B2 is equal to 3 and C2 is equal to 5. As we have already done, D is equal to formula we have A1, A2, B1, B2. We'll substitute the values 3, 4, minus 4, 3. Same method 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4. This will be 9 minus of minus 4. The minus 4 into 4, that is 16, minus 9 plus 16, that is 25. Now we'll take dx. Dx is C1, C2, B1, B2. 10, 5, minus 4, 3. Same method, 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. 30 minus of minus 20. 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Now we'll take dy. A1 A2, C1, C2. Same 3, 4, 10, 5. 3 into 5 minus 4 into 10, 15 minus 40, that is minus 25. Now, we know the formula. X is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. So, x will be 50 upon 25 and y is equal to minus 25 upon 25. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Solution 2 and minus 1. We'll go for second problem. I think by this method you can solve rest of the problems. 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 and 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. First we'll set this is equal to 4 and 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Comparing, A1 is equal to 4, B1 is equal to 3 and C1 is equal to 4. A2 is equal to 6, B2 is equal to 5, C2 is equal to 8. Same method now. D by Cramer's rule. A1, A2, B1, B2. What is A1? 4, 6, 3, 5. Same method. 4 into 5 minus 6 into 3. 20 minus 18, that is 2. Now dx. C1, C2, B1, B2. C1 is how much? 4, 8. B1, 3, 5. 4 into 5 minus 8 into 3. 24 minus 4. dy is A1, A2, C1, C2. A1, A2, 4, 6. And C1, C2, 4, 8. 4 into 8 minus 6 into 4. 32 minus 24. This will be 8. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Dx is what? Minus 4 upon 2 and y is equal to 8 upon 2. X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 4. We'll go for third problem. Third is x minus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. We'll do the same method. We'll set it. X minus 2y is equal to 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. A1 1, B1 minus 2, C1 1. A1 2, B2 A2 2, B2 minus 3 and C2 12. Same method will follow. D A1 A2 B1 B2. A1 1 2 2 and minus 3. 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2. Minus 3 minus 4. This will be minus 7. Dx. C1 C2 B1 B2. Minus 1 12 2 minus 3. Same. Minus 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 12. Minus 3 minus 24. This is minus 3 plus 3 minus 21. Now dy. A1, A2, C1, C2. 1, 2, minus 1, 12. 1 into 12 minus 1 into 2. 12 minus of minus 2. 12 plus 2. This is 14. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Dx is how much? Minus 21 upon minus 7. Y is equal to 14 upon minus 7. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. We'll see fourth problem now. Same method. 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12 and 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. A1 6, B1 minus 4, C1 minus 12, A2 8, B2 minus 3, C2 minus 2. Same thing. D, A1, A2, B1, B2. What is A1, A2? 6, 8. This is minus 4, minus 3. Same method. 6 into minus 3 minus 8 into minus 4. This will be minus 18 plus 32. This will be 14. Now dx. C1, C2, B1, B2. What is C1? Minus 12, minus 2, B1, B2, minus 4, minus 3. This is minus 12 into minus 3, minus 2 into minus 4. That is 36 minus 8. 36 minus 8 is 28. Now dy. What is dy? A1, A2, C1, C2. What is A1, A2? 6, 8, C1, C2, minus 12, minus 2. This is 6 into minus 2, minus 8 into minus 12. It is minus 12, minus 96. Minus 12 plus 96. This is how much? 84. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d, that is 28 upon 14, that is 2. Y dy upon d, how much? 84 upon 14, that is 6. We'll take next question, that is fifth question. 4m plus 6n is equal to 54. 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. We'll see this problem now. Again A1 4, B1 6, C1 54, A2 3, B2 2, C2 28. Same. First we'll find D. A1, A2, B1, B2. What is A1, A2? 4, 3, B1, B2, 6, 2. 4 into 2 minus 3 into 6. 8 minus 18, that is minus 10. Now dx. C1 upon C2, B1, B2. What is C1? 54, C2 28, B1 6 and 2. This will be 54 into 2 minus 28 into 6. This will be how much? 108 minus 1, 12 plus 4, 16. This is how much? After subtracting you get minus 60. Now dy. What is dy? A1, A2, C1, C2. 4. What is A2? 3. C1 is how much? 54 and 28. Again 4 into 28 minus 3 into 54. This will be 112, 16. This was how much? Minus 50. Now x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. What is dx? Dx is minus 60 and d is minus 10. This is x is equal to 6. What is dy? Minus 50. This is minus 10. Y is equal to 5. We'll take the last problem. Sixth problem. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. X minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Take out second equation. X minus y by 2 is equal to half. Either you can make it a standard equation like multiplying both sides by 2. This will be 2x minus y is equal to 1. You can take this as equation 2. What is equation 1? 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. Second equation 1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. A1 2, B1 3, C1 2. A2 2, B2 minus 1, C2 1. Now first D. D is what? A1, A2, B1, B2. What is A1? 2, 2, 3, minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into 3. Minus 2, minus 6. Minus 2, minus 6. This is how much? Two, 2, 3, minus 1. This is minus 8. D will be minus 8. Dx C1, C2, B1, B2. What is C1? 2, 1. 3 and minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 1 into 3. Minus 2 minus 3. This is minus 6. Minus 5. Now we'll take dy. What is dy? A1, A2, C1, C2. What is A1? 2, 2, C1, 2, 1. 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2. 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. We'll find x is equal to dx upon d. What is dx? Minus 5 upon minus 8. That will be 5 by 8. Y is equal to dy upon d. What is dy? Minus 2 upon minus 8. That is 1 by 4.